All right, let's go find our seeds. Thank you so much. Let's go find our seeds. Let's see, bird food and then pasture grass.
Oh, she'd want to go get one. I'll show you where the pasture seed is at.
Okay.
Julia, how about to the parrots, please? Julia, how about to the parrots?
Do you guys deliver these zero-turn mowers?
Yep.
You do? Excellent. Okay. Did you hear that, Mr. B? Yeah. That's exciting. Are you flying? You're flying. Oh, look at all these things. Pasture mix. Perfect.
Cattle, and then I have like a
For horse.
overseeder mix, yeah.
Okay. So this would be the one I want for horses.
Yeah.
This one
she
here,
goes in
okay.
This here. And
Yeah.
then I do have.
Oops.
Cool. Wow. That's pretty neat.
And you have something else that's better for horses, or?
A pasture. Like pasture mix. Yeah, the pasture, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, cattle, and then this one here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we'll get this one. Excellent. Yep, now we're gonna go find the bird seed. Thank you.
Yeah. How old?
He is 8.
8? Wow. If you go this way and you take a left and
Oh.
straight across this bird seed.
Excellent. Thank you. You ready? Here we go. Hold on, this is a tight turn here. Okay. Still down further? Right here. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, the blue barn is our nature center. We keep all our bird seed
Excellent.
and mixes here.
Beautiful.
And then specialty foods is on that side right over there.
Okay. Thank you. All right, what should we get for the outside birds? Do you think there's something here you might like? Look at them all. We want something big. Yeah? How about this golden harvest? Cardinals, juncos, and more. Somewhere there was just a generic, like a mix of just a bunch of seeds, I thought. Yep, here it is.